It's really a great opportunity for anybody that works at Alcona Health Center that we are able to provide good quality health care and very personal care to the friends and neighbors in our community.
If anybody is an outdoors person at all, even if it's just enjoying the outdoors, just the views, it couldn't be better.
For a lot of us, it's a bit of a mission. We find people who are underserved in a financial way, and we have the ability as a federally qualified health center to serve those patients.
It's a fun place to work. The staff here is highly trained, and I felt right at home right from the moment I stepped foot here.
If you're looking for a challenging and yet rewarding family practice experience, consider Alcona Health Center. We think that you will enjoy the family life here. We think that you will enjoy the professional life here.